China is not only one of ContiTech's most important markets, it's a place where we innovate, grow and build the future together with our partners and customers. Over the years, we've achieved significant milestones here, from expanding our local R&D capabilities to strengthening strategic collaborations with industrial leaders. Our high-performing material solutions are already enabling safer, cleaner, smarter and more efficient industry and mobility in China. ContiTech's plan in this independence marks a new chapter, one filled with opportunities, speed and a sharper customer focus. I strongly believe ContiTech can and will perform better as a standalone company. The more independent we are, the faster we can achieve our vision to become the first choice for material-driven solutions worldwide. Why? Because independence fuels agility. It empowers us to unleash the full power of our company. We are confident, backed by our leading material-driven technology expertise and a very strong global footprint. China, for sure, remains a cornerstone of our future. Our commitment to our customers, employees and partners remains unwavering. Together, we will shape the next era of material-driven solutions that accelerate industry business.